Hello friend, welcome back to my channel KBS Technocraft Python tutorial day 4 part 3. If you are interested in learning more about Python basics, I highly recommend checking out some of my previous videos. If you like, please like, subscribe and share. Today we are going to learn tuples in Python. In Python, a tuple is a ordered collection of values similar to a list. However, tuples are immutable, which means that once you create a tuple, you cannot modify it. Tuples are defined using parentheses rather than a square bracket used for lists. Now, we'll go for one example and we'll declare the tuples and see that how we can declare it. So I will create a simple mytuple which will contain four values. Here I have created a mytuples where I have 1, 2, 3 and hello. Now if you want to display the 0 index of this particular tuples and third index of this tuple, in that case you will have to pass the index tuples a square bracket and then index. We will run this code, we'll see what is the result. So you can see the 0 is 1. So how to index it? This you can start from 0. For example, here we put index here to better understand 0 and then 1, then 2 and then 3. So here 0 is 1. That's why when you put my tuples square bracket 0, then it's displaying 1. And when we put 3 my tuple 3, then it will display hello as output because on third position is there hello. Now we will see other operations for tuples. If you want to loop all the elements in the tuples, you will be able to loop like having a for loop and looping in all the elements. So if you want to loop it, you have to put for and then element, or you can put any value here, any declaration, and then you put here value and you run it. So what will happen, it will give you all the elements of a tuple. So if I run it here, you'll be able to see 1, 2, 3 and hello is all getting displayed. Now I will clear it and we will see other operations how to perform. Now, how to modify the tuples? As I mentioned in definition, tuples are immutable. You cannot modify it. If you try to modify it, you will get the type error. So let's do a simple code to produce that particular error. So for example, here, if I want to assign any value, zeroth index, I am assigning 4. And if I run it, you will be able to see that error because here is a display that error. Now I'll remove this code. We will see other example for tuples. How to slice. Let's say consider you want to slice a tuples. In that case, if you want to slice a tuple, then you have to use a syntax my tuple and then a square bracket and from where to where you want to slice it. For example, if you want to slice in every tuples, then we have created 2 to 4 and let's add one more element and I will give just 4 here. And if you run it here by clearing this output, you will be able to see the slice is 3 and hello because we want to slice from 2 to 4. So you will get 3 hello. So because if you consider 3 is the second index and then hello. So you will be able to say 3 and hello. Now if you want to loop over the tuples and try to put some condition over there. So if let's say consider you want to combine the tuples. To combine the tuples, you can write code with the plus operation and second tuples. So in this case, our first tuples is the top what we define it, and then if we try to create a tuples called 5, 6 and 7, and we are trying to create a new tuples by combining the previous tuples with the new tuples. So this is the new tuples which we have declared it here, and we have added it here with the previous tuple. So if we run this code, we can see it will be a combined. So if you see here, 4, 5, 6, 7 is combined in this particular tuples. Now we will see how to unpack a tuple. Let's consider we have a tuples like 1, 2, 3, hello, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we want to have one first element in one tuple and remaining into the other tuple. So in that case, we can unpack it by typing this. If I run this code, you can see that tuples is one and then rest of them is other. Now, if I put A, B and then I put C here and I put A, B and C and try to run this code, you will be able to see the first two tuple value that is 1 and 2 will be there in 1 and rest of them is unpacked like this. So this is how you can unpack the tuples. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe button and share with your friends.